What if I told you that your 9 to 5 salary is the riskiest income you have right now? One company decision, one email, one we're restructuring, and it's over. But imagine this instead. You wake up, check your phone, and see that money came in while you were asleep, without quitting your job, without working 18-hour days, and without falling for online scams. In this video, I'm going to show you realistic ways to make extra income while working full-time, even if you're busy, tired, or starting from zero. And I'll also show you one platform that's quietly helping people turn simple skills into consistent side income. Stay till the end because the last method is the most underrated and the easiest to start. Let's be honest. Most people want extra income, but they don't want another full-time job. You already work all day. You're tired and you don't want something that steals your peace. So the goal isn't hustle harder. The goal is work smarter, leverage skills, and use systems. Let's break it down. Shift from time for money to skill for money. The biggest mistake people make with side hustles is choosing things that pay per hour, not per value. If you stop working, the money stops. Instead, focus on skills that scale, such as writing, research, AI prompting, social media content, simple digital services. The good news, you don't even need to be an expert. You just need to be slightly better than someone who needs help. 2, use AI as a leverage tool, not a replacement. AI didn't kill side hustles. It multiplied them. People and businesses are now paying for better prompts, faster results, clear instructions for AI tools, and most people have no idea how to do this properly. That's why AI prompting has become a real income stream. 3, affiliate marketing. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing, but not the type you've probably heard of before. Most people think affiliate marketing means spamming links, begging friends to buy, or building complicated websites. And that's why many people give up. But here's a smarter approach. Prompten is a platform that hosts ready-made digital products and allows everyday people, yes, even full-time workers, to market these products and earn a commission every time someone buys through their unique link. You don't need to create a product, handle customer support, worry about delivery. Your only job is promotion. And the beauty of this is that it works perfectly around a 9 to 5 job. You can promote products through WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or even simple one-on-one conversations. Once your link is out there, it can keep earning even when you're at work or asleep. Number 4, freelancing without the usual stress. Traditional freelancing can be exhausting. Chasing clients, negotiating prices, endless revisions. But platforms like Prompten reduce that friction because you're selling a digital product, not your time. You don't need to convince anyone daily. Your work compounds. This is ideal if you want extra income, not extra stress. Here's how to start without burning out. Let me make this practical. Here's a simple plan. Pick one extra income idea. Commit 30 to 60 minutes a day. Focus on systems, not constant effort. Avoid anything that sounds too good to be true. Consistency beats intensity every time. Your job pays your bills, but extra income gives you options. Options to breathe, options to save, options to walk away when you need to. Platforms like Prompten aren't about getting rich overnight. They're about building quiet, consistent income that fits around your real life. Start small, start smart, but most importantly, start now. Because the best time to build extra income was years ago, and the second best time is today. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone working hard but earning less than they deserve. And if you want to explore more income streams, check out Prompten and start turning what you already know into extra income. See you in the next video.